If you're experiencing login errors on Wells Fargo, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login issues. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you're entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser, clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update your browser or app. Make sure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Wells Fargo mobile app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors and access your Wells Fargo account. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.